Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a fall treat hack that only involves two ingredients: a box of cake mix and a can of pumpkin. And it is so delicious. I'm using Duncan Hines, which is my favorite. The devil's food mix, and a can of pure pumpkin. And all we're going to do is mix the two. And that is it, y'all. Super simple and super easy. And I apologize for the blurriness of my camera. It has a mind of its own. But we're going to mix the two here in this bowl. And like I said, that's it. And we're going to make some muffins, and they are so delicious. And again, this is a great little treat for fall. The weather's starting to change here. I don't know about where you guys are. I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody's been suffering through this summertime heat, and I think we're all looking forward to some cool weather. And this morning I woke up and it was a little chill in the air. I was surprised, and it felt so good, and it just felt like fall outside. And so this inspired this nice little treat, if you will. And so, yeah, it is so good. I'm not a fan of pumpkin, but mixed with that chocolate with the devil's food mix, oh gosh, it's really good. So I scooped out the pumpkin, put it in with the cake mix, and now I'm using my hand mixer and just mixing it all together. And make sure you get it well incorporated and everything. Um, you don't want any lumps and bumps and chunks or whatever in your muffin. So, yeah, I'm just blending it all together. And it's like a medium high speed. It's not all the way up. And yeah, that's it. You can do it by hand if you want to get those muscles going. But not me, honey. And I love this for a quick little treat. It's not too sweet, and it's not, boring either. And it's great with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee in the morning. And it's a nice change from like banana bread or whatever. And again, it's good for fall or really any time of year, but especially now. So I truly enjoyed these. And so your batter's going to be relatively thick. So what you're going to do is get your muffins all ready to go, or your tin. I line mine with the muffin cups, the paper cups. And it doesn't take long to bake it all. I'll post the full recipe down below. And I baked it at 350. And they came out delicious. And you'll see here in a minute. And it takes no time to put these together. So if you want a quick treat for your kids, like for after school or just something to have in the morning, with your coffee or your tea or just anytime, this is great. And they freeze nicely, so you can make these ahead of time and, have something in the freezer to pop out when you want a little snack or a sweet treat. So I'm going to give it a good little mix here with my spatula, and then we're going to scoop them into the muffin pan. And here you go. I'm even doing it the easy way. I got a Dollar Tree muffin pan that I've lined with some Christmas muffin cups that I just had on hand, and I'm going to use an ice cream scoop. And I found this one's a little too big, so I think I switched over, if I'm not mistaken, to the smaller one, or I may not have. I can't remember. But this is the perfect size for these cups. They're not the biggest, but they're not the smallest either. 'Cause I think there are a few different sizes. And I had enough to make 12, so we're popping them in the oven. And they're going to bake. I want to say I baked them for about 20 minutes. You want to check them to make sure. And put it on 350. Like I said, I'll post the recipe down below. I'm setting the timer. Yep, 20 minutes. Well, it actually was 20. It's like 18 to 20. I always started the shortest amount of time, and then I left them in for a couple more minutes. And now I'm pulling them out. That's the only thing about those muffin pans from the Dollar Tree. They're flimsy, so be careful. Oh, and they look so delicious, y'all. But really, try this recipe. You'll love it, even if you're not a pumpkin fan, and I am not. But they turned out great. And I'm just poking in a skewer to make sure that, it comes out clean. And it did, and they're going to cool for a little bit. And then we're going to taste it. And y'all let me know if you try this recipe and if you're enjoying these cooking videos, and if you want to see more, let me know down below. And I will definitely do more. I try to keep them short and simple because, life's complicated enough and we don't need to go through a whole lot. But I do have a lot planned for the holidays, so hopefully I'll get some recipes and stuff up for you to, try during the holidays. But yeah, let me know down below what you want to see, because I'm trying to switch things up here on the channel. I'm kind of over the DIYs and stuff. I'm still going to do them, but I want to change up and do some other things. Tell me what you want to see down below, and we'll try to get them going. But yeah, I'm popping these on the rack to finish cooling. And they were, I cannot say how, they were so good. They really were good. For me to like pumpkin, they had to be good. But yep, thought I'd try it out and share it with you guys. So here I am trying it. And that's the shirt that I made in a couple videos back. My little pumpkin shirt. But anyway, there it is, all nice and moist and delicious. And y'all, if y'all haven't already, let me say it. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I make recipes like this. And as you can see back there, y'all, it was raining that day and I was in the mood to bake. But yeah, it's good. Ugh. Well, anyway, I'm doing the happy dance. So anywho, y'all, that's gonna do it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.